Hello friends! I think everyone is familiar with this laundry soap, and in this video I will show you why you need to add toothpaste to laundry soap. On my channel Home Tips you will find many different recipes with which you can easily and quickly clean various stains, and now I want to share with you another one. So the first thing you need to do is grate the laundry soap. Choose the smallest grater. You need about 2 tablespoons of these soap shavings. Now I add boiling water to the soap. You don't need to pour a lot of water, also about 2 tablespoons will be enough. Next, everything needs to be mixed well and placed in a water bath for a few minutes. This is how I got it. Now you need to add toothpaste to this mixture. We will need 2 tablespoons. Mix everything well again. This is the paste you should get, and now I'll tell you what you can use it for. We all use the stove to cook food, so at least once a week it needs to be cleaned. Grease splashes, spills, the paste we made, it will cope with all this very well. Take some paste with a sponge and rub the dirt on the stove. Then wipe the stove with a damp cloth and wipe dry. If your stove is very dirty, this product will cope with this too. You just need to spread it over the dirt and leave it for a while. All the dirt will soften and you will be able to clean everything easily. In general, this cleaning agent can clean everything in the kitchen: stickiness on the top of kitchen cabinets, dirty facades, greasy tiles, kitchen hoods. It is not abrasive, so you do not need to worry about scratching the surface. At the same time, it is very effective and will clean everything well. The surface of the bathtub, due to the products we use for bathing and dead skin cells, becomes covered with a film over time and can become yellow. All this can be washed off with a homemade product without using aggressive store-bought products. Spread the product over the bathtub with a sponge, clean the dirt and rinse the bathtub with water. If your bathtub is covered with hard water deposits or rust, then you need to make a slightly different product. For more details, watch the video that appeared in the tip. On the window sills, especially when it is warm and the windows are open, a lot of dust and dirt accumulates, and if yours is not perfectly smooth but porous like mine, then all the dirt gets clogged in these holes, and over time it becomes grayish. First, wipe the window sill with a damp cloth, then take a brush and spread the paste over the windowsill. You can add a little water and start cleaning with circular movements, first in one direction, then in the other. I can clearly see how grey the foam has become. Soap and toothpaste lifted all the dirt perfectly. Now I collect the remains of the cleaning agent with a damp cloth. And then I need to wipe the windowsill with a damp cloth a couple more times. Look how white the windowsill became after cleaning. From these simple ingredients, you can make a very good cleaning product. Add toothpaste to laundry soap and everything in your home will shine. If you liked the advice, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.